Hello. This is the
Hindi Jay. What? Are you upstairs? Professionals here.
Speak in English, variations available once you log into right here. The other party will speak in Korean and you will just additional.
this is a
Other things that we'll talk about is generative edit. So if you find that you have something that you want to adjust, this is not very straight, right? So you can
This photo.
click edit. So normally you have to crop, and the guy's legs get shorter. Okay? So we don't want that. So we hit on the blue icon right here to automatically adjust out. So when you zoom out, you have all these black and white bars, and it is able to generate the background for you. Yeah. So this is our generative edit, where you'll be able to fill in the background. Your slightly not so straight photos will be filled up at the corners. Filling in the pictures and stuff. So you start to notice these are the stars that we mentioned about. You will see more stars each application that has AI features as well. Yeah.
It's not going to be very nice.
This is done within the phone, right?
It will, all our Galaxy AI features will require internet connection. However, there is an option in the settings to turn off online processing. So you have both options. But of course, with online processing, the results are a bit better. Okay, so it has generated the side and the bottom, and he's got his shoes, similar shoes, and it's a bit more straighter. Okay, so you're turning your not so perfect shots, and he's slanted, into something a bit more appropriate. Okay. So other things are like chat assist. So if you have any messaging applications, okay, say, hey boss, I'm hungry, right? I'm hungry. Can I go for early lunch? Early lunch? Question mark? Okay. So you look for the stars in the keyboard, and you can go into writing style. So this will do some text magic. Okay. So some of the learners I say, I show them this. They say, oh, this is like primary 6 language become A-level language. Okay, because the professional becomes really, really long. Okay. Oh, I would like an early lunch. I'm feeling hungry, and I believe that taking a break could help me recharge. Okay, so there's a long story you can send for a request for an early lunch. Yeah. And of course, like we've shown, we've got the socials available and also casual as well. Okay, so you can either replace or you can copy it inside somewhere else. And a lot of our learners, they also want to know, hey, can I use this on WhatsApp or email? So the answer is yes, right? Because you're using the Samsung keyboard. Yeah, and that is how the Galaxy AI assists you in your chats. There we go. So you got an idea, you don't want to write out the full thing, so you've got this available. So the Galaxy AI has got your back. So those are the 3 things. So if you just pop on by, we covered a little bit about the circle to search as well. Okay, so one of the circle to search features that I like to show is my bird photo. Okay, so you got a nice shot, you don't know what it is. Okay, you circle that really, really quickly, so you can find out what is the item. Okay, but not just that. If I am going to find something that is in the shoe department, okay, so he's got some nice shoes right there. So let's find, oh, $359, very expensive shoe. Cannot stack. Stack, you will scold me. Okay, so maybe you find something on YouTube, for example. Okay, you realize, hey, you know, what watch is that? What model is that bag? Right, you can now circle to search. So you press and hold, okay, and you search the item, whatever that's on your screen. Maybe photos or videos or things like that. Okay, so those are some of the AI features available. Pretty simple, but we're very excited to put this into customers' hands. Whereas in the past, maybe you have to pay for some services, or maybe you have to be a bit professional to do some edits on AI. So now it's all going to be in our S24 series. Of course, regardless of whether you pick up the big one or the smaller versions like this ones, okay, it doesn't matter. They've all got the AI features. And as you move along, right, you'll see other things that we're supporting, like the photo editing features, and also our accessories. Yeah, both with our local
On the three models, can you briefly say what are the key things that in between they don't have or they have?
Oh, okay. So for the base model, it is our smallest model.
Yes.
Right. The Plus model I don't have on display. It's a slightly bigger screen, similar to this in size. Okay. And this is the model with the 5x 50 megapixel.
Ultra.
Yes, the Ultra. So you've got the quad tele quality for 2 times, 3 times.
What do you
5
mean by that? I
times.
was going to ask you. Yeah, the quad. How does it work? Because only
Okay.
3 camera. Yeah.
Exactly. So if you're going to 5 times, right?
Yeah.
So you have. Let me point something nice. Okay, so if you're going to 5 times, you have the actual camera lens.
Yeah. So
Okay.
1, 3, and 5 is through the actual
The
lens.
true one,
Okay.
yes. So the 10x is pixel binning, so they'll
Okay.
be able to use the last lens for you to be able to crop in.
Crop
so you
in.
got 50 megapixel sensor.
okay,
So it's
okay.
kind of like the main sensor of the regular models.
Yes, yes, yes.
So
Sort
you'll
of
be
like a
able-
digital zoom in a
little
way.
bit
Yeah.
hybrid.
Hybrid.
Yeah.
Okay, okay.
And of course, after you take the shot,
Ah.
the AI will do multi-frame processing.
Okay,
it'll
clean up
the
a bit,
image.
denoise it. Okay, okay,
Yes.
I
So
see, I
you're
see.
essentially getting like 4.
Okay. But what happened to the previous where you have a 10 time also similar to this?
Okay. So
They're using these different kind of glasses between, have a zoom chamber.
Definitely,
Yeah, yeah,
definitely.
yeah.
So it is still a periscope zoom.
Okay.
However, its sensor is now bigger.
Okay.
So when you zoom in, you have that 10x optical quality, and it has advantages when it is a nitography. So in low light situation, because it's a bigger sensor, it's able to pull off better shots.
Okay.
Yeah.
I get it. Thank you.
And of course, lastly, like what he mentioned, is that Pro Visual AI that does the finishing touches.
Okay.
That is built into the device.
Okay. But that one you need to have the mobile data on to enhance the. No
It
need.
does not.
Okay. Thank you.
Oh,
The
hands-on.
generative field has